Well, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your calls not ringing on your Android phone, and this can get really frustrating. So a lot of times you're probably just going volume up or volume down, and this only changes your media volume. It doesn't change your volume for your calls until you actually get a call. And then you can actually change it. So if you see this little like note symbol, that means is for your media, for like YouTube and anything you're playing. We can just hit the three dots above it when we press the volume button, and we can see the call volume under here. So we can just do that real quick. Otherwise, we can just come to this scene too, and we can just hold down here and we can just look at this. So let's go on over to the top right and just scroll through these different buttons. And make sure Do Not Disturb is turned on. If you have Do Not Disturb on, you're not going to be getting any calls that says it's going to mute the calls, etc. from here. So we want to swipe on down from the top right, go to Settings. Going down to Sound and Vibrations, click on this. And then let's go to where it says Ringtone. Make sure we have a ringtone selected. So we got the ringtone volume, so we can actually hear the call. So I got Peter on there, Peter Griffin, I guess. Okay, so you can just change it under here. And that's going to get really annoying. And then you can do, I'm just going to mute this. And then go back. And then we got call vibration, notification. So we can change the sounds now if we go to volume. And then we can see the ringtone volume under here as well. And I'm going to hear Peter Griffin, which is going to and I got my notifications, so we can just go back. So change your volume under here for your ringtones, so it's up loud enough, and you should hear it play like mine did. So that's a good sign that everything is working. And then we want to just restart our phone if for some reason it's just being really weird. Sometimes that happens. Just do a quick restart right here. And then we can also look at our phone options. Maybe we accidentally blocked someone, so we can go to Settings. Go in here, and then we can look at our block numbers. Make sure we didn't accidentally block the person trying to call. And then we got block calls from unknown numbers. We can decide if we want that on or off. And then you should be good to go. Just make sure it's up loud enough. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.